What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's my long time.
All right, y'all. So you might have to pull this line up and push it in like so. Go ahead and get your T45 head screw started on there like that. And I don't advise anybody to use an impact. Get your ratchet, tighten it up like so. Now we'll go ahead and tighten up the top one and onto the bottom one. Like so. We'll take y'all around to the driver's side. Bottom one, top one, and that's pretty much all she wrote, y'all. You successfully replaced your AC condenser in what, less than 30 minutes. So we'll walk y'all over here. So that's how you replace your AC condenser in your Freightliner. We're probably going to replace the screen on this truck to help protect that condenser in the future. But I gotta get with the owner and see what they have to say about it. You know, it ain't up to us. We just work on them. We don't, own them. With all that being said, y'all, remember,
you can fix it too.
You can fix it too. Peace. All right, everybody. I know y'all didn't think I was gonna leave y'all hanging like that. After putting in that AC condenser, we had to take it over here, then hook up the AC machine, pull a vacuum on it, and we're gonna vacuum it out. All right, so y'all stay tuned. Getting the high and the low side situated. All right, y'all, he pulled the vacuum, a 10-minute vacuum, and now you already charging it? It's the start. Can't even say it. Fixing the start. There it is. I thought it had to be running.
Start up afterwards, make sure the pressure is good.
Okay. Well, I thought that was the damn truck. That's the other AC. So you got it up to pretty high. Now that's where you want it, huh? Man. And that high side. That's good. So far it's not leaking where the lines are going into the condenser.
Right.
Which is great. So what we want, pound and a half almost, huh? That ain't really that much, huh?
I'll get some more. We'll start up and see. I don't want to take long.
So once they get to 1.50, all right, y'all heard? All right, everybody. So we're cranking it up, turning the AC on full blast. Pretty much charged it up, and it's blowing cool already. But we want to try to drop it down pretty low so it can cool a lot better. All right. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once we get this thing situated. But Y'all can see it is blowing, and it is dusty in here. I don't know what it is. It needs to be cleaned up or something. But it's blowing way better than nothing. Alright, everybody, we on the road again. We got this truck situated. We're headed back, getting ready to drop this vehicle off to its yard and get with the owners. The AC is blowing ice cold, baby. Yes, yes, and I'm pretty sure the driver is gonna be appreciative of this, and he or she is gonna have a better, work day. Still have to reach out to the owner about putting or adding a screen on the front of the grill or behind the grill to help protect that AC condenser from getting damaged. But with all that being said, y'all, remember, you can fix it too. On that note, peace. Truck on, baby!